Hey everyone, it's Christine with Momspiration 412, founder of EduPlay. Welcome to Start Your Day with EduPlay. It is Wednesday morning. We have made it to midway through the week, and I hope you guys are having a fabulous morning. So today on Start Your Day with EduPlay, we're going to talk about bugs and insects today, okay? So we're going to do a little craft and an activity, and we're also going to do a little movement with speaking about bugs and talking about bugs and hopping like a bug or jumping or flying, all different things. So we're going to incorporate making a bug out of things that you may have in your house and also jumping or leaping or flying like a bug, okay? And so that's going to be our movement for today for Wellness Wednesday. So I hope you are having a great morning, and I hope you guys are ready to get started with our calendar for the day. So our question for the day today is, what is your favorite kind of bug? Do you guys have a favorite insect or bug? And I want to challenge you. I want you to listen and see if you remember from yesterday. A bug, how many legs does it have? An insect, okay? We talked about ladybugs yesterday. How many legs does it have? So if you guys know the answer, go ahead and pop that in the comments or let me know, what is your favorite bug? Is it a ladybug? Is it a butterfly? Maybe a grasshopper? Maybe a praying mantis? Who knows? All kind of different bugs that are out there. So the other thing that I want to know, or I'm going to tell you today, so keep an eye for this fun fact, how many parts of an insect are there? Okay, so today it's going to be about numbers and counting. We're also going to make a craft, and we're going to do some movement. Are you guys ready? All right, let's get started. We're going to do some calendar, and we always start with our days, or the months of the year. Our months of the year. So here we go. See if you can help me with calendar today. Ready, guys? We'll start right here. Ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, and December. These are the months of the year. Good job, friends. So what month is it? It is May. Very good. It is May. And let's spell that. Ready? Capital M-A-Y. Very good, friends. Yesterday was the 26th. So what comes after 26? 26 and then 27. Very good. That means 27 jumps today. Can you do that? I know you can. All right. The year is 2020. Excellent. All right, let's do our days of the week. Remember, I'm going to snap. You can clap. Okay. Ready? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. Then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Good job. So what was yesterday? Yesterday was Tuesday. Very good. And today is Wednesday. Beautiful. What will tomorrow be? Tomorrow will be Thursday. I think that was Daisy answering. Did you hear her? Are you answering the questions too? Yeah. All right, ready? Let's say our date for the day today. Ready? Today is Wednesday, May 27th, 2020. Excellent. And the season is spring. Very good. Our weather today, I want you to tell me, is your weather hot? Is it warm, mild, or chilly? All right, let me know what your weather's like. And also let me know, what's the weather? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Partly cloudy? Or stormy? So take a peek out your window and tell me what the weather's like where you are today, because everyone's weather is different, okay? All right, our special activities for today. We are going to do bugs and insects, and we're going to count about them today. And also, I want to know if we have any special birthdays. Here comes my little lady, Ella.
I'm all wet.
You are all wet. All right. And our holiday coming up is Father's Day. All right. So let me know how you guys are feeling today. Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you silly? Are you crazy? How are you feeling today? All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to get up and we're going to stretch our body. And we're also going to do some jumps, 26 of them. And then we are going to act like some bugs in our story. Can you help me? I know it. I know you can. All right, ready to jump 26 times? No, 27 times. 27 times today. Can you believe it? All right, let's do it. Ready? Let's stretch first. Here we go. So take your arms and we're going to stretch them. Good. Go in front of you. Out. Good job. Good job, friends. All right. The next thing, we did arm circles yesterday. We could do those again. Arm circles. Oh, good. And we can do it backwards. Can you make them bigger? Can you make them bigger? Oh, good job. Can you go forward? Can you keep them straight and can you like twist like you're flying? Like a bird or an airplane? Can you bend to one side? Good. And go to the other side. Excellent. Can you reach them way up high? Can you touch the sky? Can you reach them way down low and touch your toes? And roll it on up. Good. Can you lift your shoulders up and down? Up and down. Good. Can you look up with your head and look down? Go real slow. Up and down. How about side to side? Ready? Side to side. Side to side. Good job, friends. Good job. All right, ready? Let's march those feet. March and march and march and march and march. And ready? We're going to jump out. And jump, and in, and jump, and in. Good job. Ready? We're going to go forward and backward. Here we go. Forward and backward because we're going to do all kind of jumps today. Forward and backward. Now we're going to go side to side. Ready? Side to side. Side to side. Good job. Good job. Excellent. You ready for 27 jumps? Can you do it today? I know you can. It's a lot. Are you guys ready? Remember, a couple ways. You could just go out and in, or you could do jumping jacks like Miss Christine's going to do, okay? Or you can get really fancy and do the popcorn jump, okay? Miss Christine is going to do her jumping jacks. Ready? Count nice and loud with me. I want to hear you count to 27. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Good job, friends. Good job. Another thing you could do. Has anyone liked a jump rope? That's something that Ella's been loving to do, and she's doing really well at it. So that made me think of jump roping. Does anyone like to jump rope? All right, friends. We are going to read a story. It's called Yum Yum I Spy. And I'm going to tell you all the things you can do for the bugs that we see in our story, okay? And then I'm going to show you how to make some bugs, okay? Now, remember, our question today, how many legs does an insect have, okay? So keep in mind when we read Yum Yum I Spy, how many legs an insect had. The next thing is how many body parts, how many parts of the body are there for an insect? Let's find out. Here we go. 9. Whoops. Can you guys see it there? Yeah, I think that's the best one. All right. 9 flighty flies. Yum, yum, I spy. How many can I catch before they fly? 5 in my tummy, delicious delight. But how many flies escaped in flight? So there were 9 altogether. 5 are in this tummy. How many got free? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a good book for subtraction. You start with 9 over here. How many did we take away? We got 4 left. So this is a good math book as well today. And this is called a Venus flytrap. It gets flies in those flowers or bugs in those flowers. So it opens it up and it traps them down. That's what it's doing. It's opening up and then trapping it down. 10 gnawing gnats. Yum, yum, I spy. How many can I catch before they fly? 4 in my tummy, delicious delight. But how many gnats escaped in flight? So 10 altogether. 4 got in. How many got away? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 minus 4 is 6. Oh, he doesn't look very happy about that, does he? All right, let's see what we have next. 3 wispy wasps. Yum, yum, I spy. How many can I catch before I fly? 1 in my tummy, delicious delight. But how many wasps escaped in flight? Oh, he looks pretty upset there, so there they are. So this is a really good picture here. So let's count how many parts of an insect has. Here's its head with his eyes. Here's his abdomen and the thorax. So there's 3 things, okay? Head, maybe thorax, and then abdomen. Yeah, that might be it. So 3 parts of an insect, okay? And then it has its legs. So I don't know if we can see this one. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 legs. 3 body parts and 6 legs. 6 active ants. Yum, yum, I spy. How many can I catch before they fly? Let's see, 6 there. 3 in my tummy, delicious delight. But how many ants escaped in flight? How many ants got away? 1, 2, 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. 2 buzzing bees. Yum, yum, I spy. How many can I catch before they fly? None in my tummy. No delicious delight. How many bees escaped in flight? So how many got away? There were 2. How many got away? 2. So 2 minus 0 equals 2. 8 mighty moths. Yum, yum, I spy. How many can I catch before they fly? 3 in my tummy, delicious delight. But how many moths escaped in flight? There were 8 altogether, minus the 3 that were in his tummy. How many got away? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yummy, yummy insects, more I spy, but so many in my tummy. Burp. That Venus flytrap, he ate all those insects. He's going to sleep. Look at all those bugs flying around now. All right, so all about bugs. So the things that you can do today to do some movement, you could fly and you could count flies, okay? This one there was 9 and 5 flew away, or 5 in his tummy. So how many are left? You could do 4 flying movements. Gnats, they also fly. I think all of these ones and this one fly. A wasp is going to fly. We had the ants. So the ants, you can scurry on the floor like an ant. You could do jumps like a grasshopper. Okay, you can fly. You could crawl. You could wiggle like a worm. Okay, so all kind of different things that you guys can do for movement today for Wellness Wednesday and the bugs. So The other thing I'm going to show you is what you could do with some activities, some materials around your house, okay? So today, Miss Christine just has things like toothpicks, and we had to be careful with these. Not everyone could just play with these. They shouldn't be left on the floor. We had a little incident with that. We had to get, the tweezers and get a splinter out. So try to keep these up and be careful with these. Obviously, they're not for everyone, or if you are going to do them, make sure that we're monitoring everyone. But toothpicks are great. You could do straws. My kiddos have been like putting the toothpick in the straw, and then that way they could. The other thing I have pom-poms. Oops, I put the toothpick in too far. I have pom-poms. You could do cotton balls. Okay, I know it's kind of hard to see today. I also have packing peanuts. Okay, I should have turned the other light on. Packing peanuts. I also have pipe cleaners. I have pom-poms. I have Google Eyes. I have cotton balls. I have paper cups. All kind of different things. You can do a cupcake liner. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I thought of. Okay. But then what you could do is you could create whatever kind of insect or bug that you'd like to create today. Okay. Miss Christine made one here, and it's just a little example. All right. But remember, it has 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. And I mix up these ones. So you have a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. And I really think this is the thorax and this is the abdomen, okay? And then we have how many legs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. This little guy has 2 antennae, all right? It has a head there. So you can make however you want, okay? Miss Christine just made a little guy. You could use the toothpicks and you can make him bigger and longer. The straws, all kind of different things that you guys can do today with just some simple activity or materials around your house to create a bug. So all different ideas today. I'm trying to think if I had any other ideas. You can make with paper, if you have little Google Eyes, if you have all kind of different things you guys can use, okay? So let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you create anything and share them with me because I love to see them, okay? So I can't wait to see what you guys create. I can't wait to see your Wellness Wednesday moves and activities today. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Remember, guys, see each moment as a chance to learn, create, and have fun. Bye, guys.